Hello everyone, welcome back to MS Chocolate's English Speaking Practice Series. Today, we will practice a very popular topic, introducing yourself. This is one of the most important skills for English learners because you will need it in many real-life situations, when meeting new people, when taking a new class, in a job interview, or even in English exams like B1 and B2. Part 1. Before we start, let me give you 3 important tips. First, keep your introduction short and clear. Usually 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Second, organize your ideas. Start with basic information, then talk about your studies or work, your hobbies, your family or personality, and finally your goals. Third, try to use simple linking words, such as firstly, also, in addition, finally. These words make your speaking sound smoother and more natural. Now, let's practice step by step with model answers. First, basic information. You can say, "My name is Anna. I'm from Vietnam, and I live in Ho Chi Minh City." Or, a bit longer. "My name is Anna Nguyen. I come from Vietnam, and I'm currently living in Ho Chi Minh City, which is the largest city in the country." Next, talk about your studies or your work. For example, "I am a university student. I study English because I want to improve my communication and find a good job in the future." Or, in a more detailed way, "I'm currently a university student majoring in business administration. I chose this field because I'm interested in marketing and international trade. In the future, I hope to work for a global company." Then, you can talk about your hobbies. For example, "In my free time, I like reading books and watching movies. Sometimes, I go out with my friends." Or, a stronger version, "In my leisure time, I enjoy reading self-development books and watching English movies. These activities not only entertain me but also help me improve my English skills. Besides that, I love playing badminton because it keeps me healthy and active." After that, you may describe your personality or your family. For example, "I think I am friendly and hardworking. My family has 4 people, my parents, my brother, and me." Or, a more advanced answer, "I would describe myself as a motivated and sociable person. I enjoy working in a team and meeting new people. My family is quite close-knit. I have 1 younger brother, and we usually support each other in our studies and daily life." Finally, share your future plans. You can say, "In the future, I want to graduate and find a good job. I also want to travel abroad." Or, in a longer version, "My short-term goal is to graduate with good results and improve my English to an advanced level. In the long term, I hope to work in an international company and gain experience overseas. Traveling and discovering different cultures is also something I really look forward to." Now, it's your turn. Pause this video and practice introducing yourself. You can follow these 5 steps. Number 1, name and hometown. Number 2, studies or job. Number 3, hobbies. Number 4, personality or family. And number 5, future plans. Remember, a good self-introduction is clear, structured, and confident. The more you practice, the more natural and fluent you will sound. That's it for today's practice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MS Chocolate for more English speaking practice lessons. See you next time.